Namaste and welcome to my channel. It's winter time and today we are going to make laddus with the sesame seeds. Very simple and very easy to make. And here are the ingredients. All kinds of healthy seeds we have taken: black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, flax seeds, groundnuts, green pumpkin seeds, white melon seeds, and few pieces of dried apricots and the seedless dates. Very simple process: roast, grind, mix the ingredients and give the form of the laddus. So let's start roasting. When we roast each and every seed separately, because the roasting point of the seeds may be different. For example, take the example of sesame seeds and the groundnuts. Sesame seeds will roast faster. When the seeds are roasted, it gets puffed up. After roasting, keep the seeds separately. The groundnuts, and these are your pumpkin seeds, very healthy. I always use stainless steel wok or the iron wok. The melons are all puffed up. Non-stick pans should not be used. Now we start grinding the seeds. We will grind them again separately because we don't want the powder of any seed. We want the seeds just to be broken into big pieces, and groundnuts may take longer than the other seeds. And when you make the laddus, each ingredient will have its flavor. Now, apricot should be cut and mixed. It will give color and also more flavor to your laddus. They are not putting it in the blender at all. Now we have taken seedless dates, and this is the only binding material. We have taken out the seeds and churned in the blender. Mix the dates in the mixture and then heat the mixture for a while so that dates become soggy. The binding capacity of dates will increase now. Roll into laddus when the mixture is still warm. If quantity is more, warm the mixture in batches. We have got 60 laddus from the quantity what we have taken. Each individual laddu we are wrapping in the aluminium foil. This will keep the laddus crunchy and prevent it from absorbing moisture. You can also keep it as it is in the airtight containers. And here are the laddus ready to enjoy with your family and friends. And if you like it, now give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't miss out to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.